Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my October favorites. Jesus, it has been quite the month. I feel like everything's flying by. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. There's 2 months left of this year. You guys know that every month I like to do a try on favorites video. So basically what that is I'm sharing with you guys all my beauty favorites of this month and I put them on my face, which is why I don't have any makeup on right now. So I just want to get right into this because I am really excited about all the things that I have to talk about today. Okay, so we're first going to go ahead and start off with my favorite palette of the month, and that is the Juvias Nubian palette. This is the mini Nubian palette. Look how cute this is, guys. I spoke about this palette and I just feel like it's perfect for this season, for everyday use. It's really practical and easy. So I'm first gonna be starting off with this shade right here. And I do wanna say this palette, you can find it at Ulta, so you don't have to order it online. I do have to say Ulta has done a beautiful job of bringing a lot of brands in store this year, so I give them mad props for that. And I actually got this on sale for $7. They were having like a sale on it. I don't know if it's still going on, but it does retail for $10, so it's still a really good priced item. So we have that right there. Then we're gonna be going in with this deeper color right here, this nice brown matte. And I like the fact that this palette does contain 3 mattes and 3 shimmers so that you're able to really pair each shade with something. It all goes cohesively together. I've been really into mini palettes lately, like the Huda mini palettes, these mini palettes. I just feel like mini palettes are so practical and easier. Sometimes we get really overwhelmed with the big palettes because there are just so many colors that we're just like, I can't. And I'm gonna be going in with this beautiful shimmer right here. It's literally stunning. Like, it is so pigmented. And I'm going to be placing that on the lid. This has been like my staple eye. Look how pigmented that is. Juvia's eyeshadows do not come to play. This intensity is just like next level, completely next level. So now I'm gonna be going back in with the brush that we used for the 2 colors that are matte and on our crease. I'm gonna be mixing those 2 together, and I'm just going to be taking those colors on this outer edge and kind of wrapping the look together so it kind of gives it a smoked out effect. You guys can see that, it looks bomb. I'm gonna take this shimmer a little bit into the matte just so that it blends perfectly together, and then bam. So that's pretty much the eye. Very simple. We used 3 colors and we made it work. The other colors are so beautiful. What I like to do with like these colors right here, these shimmers that are a little bit darker, is I like to just apply them all over my lid and kind of like blow it up. So just a very simple eye with 1 color. You can definitely do that. I feel like they're perfect for this time of the year as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so we have both eyes complete. I went ahead and did liner and brows off camera because there's nothing new. Let's go ahead and do lashes. I do have some lashes that I want to talk about. This is another pair of Lilly lashes. I've been like a Lilly lash fiend lately. I feel like they are just amazing lashes. These are in the style Rome, and I am absolutely obsessed with these because I feel like they can go with like a dramatic look or a more natural soft glam. So I've been really obsessed with them. I'm gonna be using my velour lash glue in the dark tone because I do have a black liner, so I just wanted to blend perfectly into that. I saw Crispy just launch her new lash line, Unscripted Beauty, and I am so excited. I missed the first launch, so I'm hoping that I'm able to get some for the restock, and I'll film a video using the unscripted lashes, and I'll film how to apply lashes. So stay tuned for that because I am hoping that I can do that with those. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these babies. Like I mentioned, these are in style Rome by Lilly Lashes. You can find these at Ulta and also at Sephora. Do you see they're like a subtle glam? I just live for them. And I love how they're so wispy. Like they really look like actual real lash hairs. They could honestly also pass as like falsies. Like they're just stunning. I'm obsessed with these. They are beautiful. I definitely recommend checking them out if you're looking for a lash to splurge on. Now these are pricey. I want to say they're like $29, but honestly, they last you so long. Like I rewear these probably about like 35 times, and I just make sure that I keep good care of them. Obviously that, you know, when I take them off at the end of the night, I put them somewhere safe. I always have, where is it? My lash case where I store my lashes. So I definitely recommend having something like this to just keep them in there. And these just have been like the best. So these are my fave. So now we're gonna move on to our complexion. And for complexion, we're gonna start off with foundation today because I do not have a new moisturizer to rave about or a new primer to rave about. So if you guys have any recommendations for primers that I should check out that you're obsessed with during this past month or during the past year that I haven't tried out, let me know down below. Drop the primers because I want new primers in my collection. So moving right into foundation, today I want to talk about one that I've been using nonstop this month, a Kokie Cosmetics Full Cover Foundation. So the reason I'm so excited about this is because this is a brand that is affordable. You can find this at Rite Aid or on their website for very, very prices. And they're also from Maryland. I am from Maryland, so it's just really cool to see a brand really killing the game. And I just really love the finish that this gives me. It's super full coverage, comfortable, and just beautiful, and it lasts me all day long. I do have a review on this foundation, which I will have down below so you can see my full thoughts, but I am going to be applying this on my face so you can see how this looks. And also the packaging is luxurious. Like for a foundation that's so affordable, this is luxury. And this is in the shade 60W. So let's go ahead and start applying this on the face. And I'm just gonna begin putting this all over. Like it just blends right into the skin and it feels so comfortable. And the fact that it's so full coverage but yet so lightweight just really is like everything for me, because I just love a foundation that can cover everything it needs to cover, especially for somebody who does have things that they want to cover, whether it's rosacea or whether it's like scars and stuff. It covers all of that immediately. It gives me a very beautiful like soft matte finish, because sometimes matte finishes can start to look really like dull and dry and flat. This is not like that at all. It has a very pleasant smell too. Some foundations just straight up smell like clay or like just, I don't know, really nasty stuff, but this has a very pleasant, very subtle scent. It's not like the Huda Beauty that's like very strong. This is just very soft. Like, I look so snatched now. Like it literally elevated me. It took me from 0 to 100. Oh God, this is so beautiful. So I know a lot of people may not find this foundation at their local Rite Aids, or they don't have a Rite Aid nearby. My Rite Aid didn't have it, so I was really upset when I was trying to like look for Kokie Cosmetics. But you can always go on their website, kokiecosmetics.com, and you will be able to find the foundation or anything else that you want from the brand. I highly recommend the brand. It is so good. I also have a coupon code with them, so if you want to save 25% off your entire order, which is amazing and a big plus considering how affordable it is, you'll save so much cash. If you use the code TheMexBeauty in all lowercase, I will have it down below so you guys can go ahead and check out, and I will also have the link to the foundation, because I mean, y'all need this foundation. It's so good. And look, I have like a very like soft matte finish, like velvety, like porcelain doll almost. Like I live. So now for concealer, I do have another favorite, and this is also very affordable. This is the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. I did a review on this concealer and I was blown away. Like it is fabulous. Now I know a lot of people were like, oh, it's so tiny. It's like a mini concealer. But I do have to say with this, you only get 0.13 ounces, but it's so damn affordable. And also with this one, very little of it goes a long way because it's so full coverage. You guys are about to see right now. I love this applicator. It's so nice. So I just do that and then I blend it in. I'm telling you guys, this concealer is everything. Like with the foundation, I'm just like, can we have a better, more perfect, affordable match? I don't think so. And I'm in the color Honey. So if you guys want to go on their website, LA Colors, Honey is my shade. Gosh, it looks so good. Like this combo together is like everything. I would really recommend you checking out LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer and the Kokie Cosmetics high cover foundation. These two are just a match, especially if you love a nice full coverage foundation and concealer. You're looking for something for like an event, or if you're gonna be taking pictures, or somewhere where you really wanna have a snatched face, this is gonna snatch you. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the next step, something that I've been loving doing this past month. I didn't include blush or bronzer because I'm still using the same stuff, but I do want to talk about this technique that I've been obsessed with. You guys all probably know, but it's just been baking my blush. So I have been so into the Kylie Cosmetics powder. This one is in beige. I mentioned this, I think, in my last favorites, but I'm mentioning like the technique of it. I feel like this powder is great for baking because it's very nice and hydrating. I feel like it's a little bit more hydrating than my Airspun. I love my Airspun to death, but I just feel like this one is very like seamless. So I've just been so into that. And we're just gonna snatch this. I'm actually taking some outfit pics today for my Instagram. So that's why I'm kind of doing my makeup a little bit more on the, you know, full coverage glam side, because I want the makeup to really pop in my pictures. So we have that, and we're just gonna leave that, let that cook for a little bit. And I like to use my Morphe sponge. This is the complexion sponge with the beige setting powder by Kylie Cosmetics. You can now find this at Ulta. So this is a step that I've just been so into this month. And while my face cooks, I'm gonna go ahead and do highlighter. So I'm gonna be taking this KKW Beauty highlighter that I've been really into. This one actually now is being sold at Ulta. As you guys maybe have seen at my video, what to buy from KKW Beauty at Ulta. And I did mention that in one of the sets that they had exclusive to Ulta, they had a highlighter. And the highlighter is the one that I'm currently wearing right now, which is Glitz and Glam. It is beautiful. If I can open this damn packaging, my nails just make everything hard to do sometimes. Like this, it's a nice like gold highlight. And like I mentioned, this is in Glitz and Glam. I'm gonna be using this Milani brush that I love to use for highlight. And I'm just gonna be applying this on the high points. Do you see that? It's like a bam moment. Like, it's so pretty. Like, this is a glow. So definitely check this highlight set out. It comes with this highlighter, Glitz and Glam, and a lipstick called Enchanted. The lipstick is very wearable, so you guys will probably get great use out of it if you do choose to check this out. But this highlighter is bomb.com, and they definitely nailed it with the highlighter. I feel like if you're on my complexion, it'll suit you very, very well. Now we're gonna dust away the powder. Do you see it snatches you? Okay, so today for our lip, we're gonna be doing a bold lip. This month, it's been all about the bold lips for me, and I feel like it's just perfect timing with the fact that it is fall time. And I also feel like lately, or the past like year and a half, I've just been so into like nudes that I really made sure to completely step out of that nude comfort zone and go into some color. So I've been really rotating between ColourPop's Mamacita, which is this like deep red tone, which I love, and also Kylie Cosmetics True Brown. You can find True Brown at Ulta, but today I'm gonna be wearing True Brown because I've been wearing this one a lot. And I feel like this brown would probably go more so with my eye makeup. So I'm taking the lip liner because this is a lip kit. So you will get it with the lip liner. I feel like when you're doing a bold lip, you definitely want to line your lips first so that you really get that good shape. Okay, once we've lined that, we're gonna go in and apply the lipstick. So the lip is on. I am so obsessed with this lip. Like, I feel like this lip completely elevated the entire look. That's what I'm saying. Like, a bold lip will really take you to the next level. Whether you do a very simple eye or whether you do a more, you know, dolled up eye, it's just the lip can always be the statement. So I definitely recommend checking out the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in True Brown. It is beautiful, and you can take this into the winter. I also love the fact that it is a matte liquid lipstick, so it's going to stay on no matter what. This completes my favorites for October. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me put on my favorites. I am obsessed with this look, and I really recommend you guys check out all the products that I mentioned today. As you guys saw them on the face, put to the test. They are really incredible products that I would definitely recommend to all of you guys. And a lot of these products are affordable, so you're able to get your hands on them without having to break the bank, which is always a very, very positive thing to do. So yeah, I'm happy with this look and I'm ready to slay the day and just take some bomb fierce pictures. So now that I shared my favorites with you guys, I want you guys to share your current beauty favorites with me. Remember what I said, if you guys have primers, blushes, bronzers that you really want to share with me that you've been obsessed with, leave them down below in the comment section because I would love to check out some of those products for myself. I hooked you guys up, so now you guys get to hook me up. So leave all that fun stuff down below. Let's go ahead and start a conversation because I love interacting with you guys down below in the comment section. You guys are like my virtual best friends and I just love the bond that we share, and I love when you guys help each other out as well. All the details on this face will also be listed down below in my description box. You guys can go ahead and go down there in case you didn't hear what I mentioned or you forgot what I mentioned. It'll all be down there. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video enough to stick around and become a member of family here on YouTube. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It will definitely help me out and we will continue to grow our family here on YouTube. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video and that you get that notification as soon as I upload, because you wouldn't want to be the last one to watch my video. You would want to be the first one. And that being said, I love you guys so much and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.